friends, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing the strategy to look upon Nifty for next trading session, and we'll be analyzing some stocks which are giving good potential for trading in a risk reward terms. So this is a Nifty chart on daily time frame, Nifty spot chart. As we have already analyzed these certain zones in which the price action is just getting range bound movements, and this was the middle area which we suspected that would be holding, and it has holded quite effectively here. It got bounced from here after this two-legged sell-off. So what we still expect from Nifty, that this particular leg of correction should at least move to the 61.8 retracement, or it should give something like this. In the process of moving up, it should give something like this at least to finish this corrective move. Then after, maybe we can start another leg of movement to the downside, which will be in the negative sell zone. So once the price action moves to this conclusive area, here the long congestion area where sellers and buyers had a quite good kind of fight here. Selling and buying was congestion area where it was going on. So we expect that the price should fail holding this area, and consecutively after doing something like this, it should again start its new leg of fall. New leg of downtrend. So if we move to the 15-minute chart to analyze further, this is something which we have expected, and we're expecting that there will be some correction here. So once we see that this top was broken from here after this price move up, so we were expecting that since this break of structure was already been seen in this correction, so that means this impulse leg has already been completed, or this up move is already completed, and we are ripe for a correction to the downside. So what we ideally expect that should happen is either it should give something like this, and after this it must move towards the 61.8 retracement. It may or may not come exactly to the respective area, but it should at least move to this conclusive zone in order to gather some steam, so that it will be pushing somewhere to the upper side after breaking this area. So this is what we are expecting, and once this is broken to the upside, we again expect that the move should be getting failed, and we might see further downside, which should be another leg of correction to the downside. So what should be our strategy going forward? Well, as the global clues are indicating, we may see a negative opening on Monday itself, which will be indicating to the premise that we are expecting something like this. A downside. And once this downside is completed, maybe we will be looking for an up move in this area. You see, if we project this thing from backside, this is the area where a lot of buying and selling decisions have been made, and this is the area where it might be important for the price action to react. If it comes down, so roughly 17,000 to 17,060 or 50, this is the area which we are expecting that while going to the downside it should get hold, and from here price action should start its short move to the upside. So ideally this area should be kept on watch list, and if the price action is slowing down while going downward, then I think there will be a good scenario to go long over this area. So this is the analysis of Nifty. Let's look over to the stocks that we have selected for the next trading session. So this is McDowell's. We have been quite following this stock since it is being giving good kind of swings. So as you can see, this has made a new high after this high was broken. So since this correction once gives a phase like this, which is called break of structure, we will be considering that this swing has been completed. And if it comes and manages to stay in the region of 867.3, we will be opening a long position, keeping the SL around 857. with a target of 891.5 or 892. So this is the strategy for United United Spirits. Next is Trend. Trend has also been moving quite nicely to the upside, but if we drill down in this particular stock on a 3-minute chart, we will see that after this couple of legs of correction, it has started making smaller swings to the upside. So what we can expect that this high was broken here and did not sustain above this. So we are expecting if it you know gives this correction, and in case it falls down to 1446.75, then we can open a long position keeping the SL below 1440 and a target of 1462.25. 14.62.25 will be the first target, and if the momentum picks up after this breaking this structure, maybe we can target the area of 1472 and 1480. So these two areas can also be targeted subsequently. The next stock is Polycab. Previously we are thinking that since this high has been made, it may hold on and give a new structure high, but it was not done like that and it failed to the downside since we have seen this down move and it has created a new structure high here. So we'll be looking in this counter for a shorting opportunity in the region of 2647 with a stop loss around 2677.8. And it is better to when drill down to the lower time frame, maybe 5 or 3-minute chart, when the price action already crosses the 50% mark of correction. If we are getting another swing like this and it starts to do like this, then maybe we can put the stop loss over here to optimize our risk and reward ratio. So optimally, what is currently visible over the price action, we can estimate a target of 2575.45, somewhere around here. The last stock in this series is Federal Bank. Federal Bank has been a quite good stock which has been going up recently. After making this recent high, we are expecting a correction. If this is completed, we need to see the live price action once the market is open. If it opens to the downside, maybe we will move this anchor somewhere once where the pricing is getting completed. So we can buy or initiate a long position around 120.45, keeping the stop loss around 118.8, and target would be 121 extension of this particular swing, which will be coming around 124.45 or 5. So these are the 4 stocks which we think can provide a good risk to reward ratio for next trading sessions and should be kept on the watch list for consideration. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like the content, please share it with your friends, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever new content is posted to the channel. So till then, thank you very much.